Welcome back to the channel. It is Christmas time. Can you believe it already? Middle of December and it is getting hot in Brisbane. All right, what we wanted to do today is a really quick video. Vic Off-Road asked us to pick out a few things that we reckon would be really good Christmas presents this year for the budding four-wheel driver or camping enthusiast in your family. So we've picked a few gifts starting from quite cheap right up to a few more expensive things so you can choose what would be best for you. So, without further ado, Ando, what's the first one?
Yeah, well, I reckon we'll start off with sort of the lower end of the budget and work our way up. So, first here, what they sent us is
Flick it round so they can see the front.
Good call.
Look at that.
There we go. Nice packaging. So, the first thing they sent us was some canvas bags, which are super handy for, you know, your drawers and stuff instead of loose items just wailing around everywhere. Don't need that anymore. So let's crack this open and have a little gaze.
So these are water resistant. I don't think they're waterproof, obviously. Water resistant, made of pretty heavy duty canvas. They do come with dividers and a floor. Do they come with dividers?
I think that's for the floor.
They do come with dividers.
And dividers. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
So this isn't a clear top bag. It is just a nice big canvas bag. So they're roughly, what is it, 400 by 400?
I think so,
wide.
yeah, that's what it's had in the box.
Yeah, so they're pretty decent size. Comes with a hard floor in it, so you can actually fit quite a lot of things. It's got a little storage compartment up here on the lid as well, which I think
carry handles as well.
Yeah, it even comes with a little rubber bit on the carry handle.
And we can put these dividers in wherever we want, Velcro walls.
Yeah, so you can pretty much set it up for however you like, whether you want that option for little stuff or you just want big pots and pans to put everywhere. But yeah, I reckon it's pretty good. Like, it's a nice solid base and everything. Like, it's not going to be fouling or any of that sort of gear. So I reckon that's quite good
right on the
design.
top of it what's in it.
Yeah.
So yeah, I think, look, the prices are all over the place at the minute. It's just gone Black Friday here in Brisbane, I suppose all across Australia, but on the website today these were about 50 bucks, but we'll put the current price up on the screen. We are going to be putting a discount code on the screen somewhere here and in the comments below, so you can get a discount using our discount code if you want to go and grab some of these for yourself.
Sweet.
All right,
Moving on.
What's next?
What's next? Up next we have,
Do you like our set, by the way, the Christmas lights? We thought it just added in. Ando didn't want to wear the hat when I met him.
lies. Also, if you stick around to the end of the video, we are going to be doing a cheeky giveaway. So
First one ever,
yeah. Pretty exciting. So next we have some RGBW rock lights. So these are designed, we can pretty much put them anywhere, but these are designed to go underneath your wheel wells in your car. So
come with lots of bolts.
yeah, it comes with all that you need. So pretty much what they're for, if you're going on like a night run or something like that out in the tracks, they're really handy for your spotter to see, you know, your wheel placement and stuff like that, to see if you're dodging any big rocks or boulders or
These
soft
come with
objects.
nice rubber mounts too. Obviously, there's a
nice.
bit of cable management there. And these can, yeah, be nice and vibration free under the ute. They will also hook up to an app and they will dance along to the music and RGB colors. You can have a little party on the tracks.
Very nice, very nice. Got to have the wanking material in there somewhere.
All right, so price on these, we'll again put it on the screen, and there will be a discount code for these as well. There's 8 of these, so you know you could have 2 under each wheel. That's 4, maybe 2 at the back of the tray, maybe 2 pointing forward. On
Doesn't
the
have to even
Bullbar.
have to be underneath the car.
No,
you can use them as work lights if you want to. I've seen a few people put them in their canopy and stuff like that. So there's multiple uses for them, and they're actually quite bright. I've seen a bit of videos and stuff, so pretty happy with these.
We will be doing a full install video, separate videos on everything you have here. Well, not the bags, but these are going underneath Ando's ute.
Yep.
So we'll whack those in a future video. Look, keep your eye out for that.
Moving on.
Moving on. So everybody likes driving at night. A good night run's always good. And this is, I believe it's the 42-inch light bar. Right, it's the Ryko series.
Rigel.
Rigel.
I don't know.
So all links again in the description. This one's pretty cool. This one's got like a laser in the center of it and all the LEDs on the side. Not a laser, but like a very strong light in the center.
Oh, wow.
So let's bring this one out and see what it looks like. What else is in here? So it comes with all the brackets and all the mounting hardware that we need. Deutsch plug on the end for easy connection. Yeah, look at that.
Oh, wow.
That looks cool, doesn't it?
Yeah, that is pretty
That's
cool.
what it looks like. On the back, there's a channel.
Yeah, just your standard mounting brackets on the back. You'd normally mount it to a roof rack, or you could even get little brackets on the side for your windscreen and stuff like that.
So the company's called Lightfox that make these, and it's a nice metal anodized finish. It feels solid. It's not too heavy either.
Nah, it's not actually.
Yeah.
That's a good size.
I think the way this is designed, this is obviously a very bright light in the middle, but these are one spot and one's flood. So it's going to light up all parts of the track. This is going to go underneath the roof rack on the Cruiser. It's just going to fit beautifully.
I think I'm more of a light bar more than a Spotties man myself.
Me too.
To be honest, it's way more sleek. Not just two big circles on the front of your rig. Each to their own opinion, but I reckon these look real sleek and hidden away. So
I'm keen to
see how it looks.
Yeah, me too. Again, install video. Link below for this. Price below. Discount code below. Jump on the website. Grab yourself some of these. Get Christmas. Light up like a Christmas tree. These next two really go hand in hand, but we'll go to the inverter first.
Yep.
Oh. So I guess one of the big things camping in the last couple of years has been, we're heading towards the top end of the spend at the minute. So new technology with lithium batteries, inverters, induction cooktops, air fryers, all that razzmatazz. If you're into all that, this is the gear that you're going to need to run it. This is a 3,000 watt pure sine wave inverter. It does come with all the proper thick cables in it to connect it up to your battery. And what else is in here? Is that a fuse? Oh, that's the remote panel and some extra fuses. So everything you need to power up your campsite this summer. So a 3,000 watt inverter. I mean, these will obviously start at 300 watt up to 1,000, 2,000, whatever. This is the most powerful one that they make. The 3,000 watt inverter, Andy being a Sparky would know, this will run. We bought an induction cooktop which we'll install over the weekend and we'll do a video on it. This will run a dual induction cooktop. I think one side puts out 1,500 watts and the other side I think 1,200 watts at full power. So this will run an induction two plates at full power. How long for? I'm not sure, but we'll get to the power station after this. But on the price side of things, this one is one of the more reasonable ones. It's actually not very expensive at all for a 3,000 watt inverter by Atom Power. We will put this through its paces and do a comprehensive review on this in the coming weeks. But I'm very, very keen to get this installed.
Yeah, it looks cool actually. They even come to like a little LCD display on the front there, so I'm guessing that shows what you're drawing and all that sort of jazz.
The remote, so you can remotely operate this. You can have this in the depths of the canopy.
Yeah, that's just sitting on a little RJ45 plug.
Yeah, and you being the Sparky,
Cat 5e cable.
You'll be able to put some nice plug sockets in for me around the canopy, all running off this. So we'll basically have 240 power throughout the canopy. Yeah, nice. So that being said, price below again, discount code below. Hook yourself up with one of these.
And it's not that heavy, so I reckon you could like confidently put this on like a false wall that you put in the canopy and stuff like that. Like it's,
oh no, it's not.
It's honestly not too bad. Obviously, it's got a bit of weight to it, but for the size of it, like I know for a fact I have a mate with a King's one, and it is quite heavy. So for the size of it, it's pretty good, I reckon.
So it says here 3,000 watt, but the surge power up to 6,000. So that means if you are running something that needs a big kick to start it and then it calms down. I'm not sure if the inductions do or not, but I think the likes of coffee makers and
kettles, all that sort of stuff.
They all surge, don't they? So this will surge to 6,000 before it trips out. So that's massive.
Really good. Yeah. Double.
Double, which is cool. And two sockets at the end of it as well.
Two 10 amps,
right off the back. All right, so we need something to drive this.
Well, yes, we do.
So you want to grab that big dog down because you're stronger than me. So what we've got here, and this is quite incredible that they make this sort of technology now. Andy's wrecking the set, but that's okay. He's good at wrecking stuff. It's amazing to think that this is a 200 amp hour lithium battery. It weighs, it says on the side of the box here, 28 kilos, which is nothing. We've got an old slimline 170 amp hour battery just behind the camera, AGM, and it's about 60 kilos. It's ridiculous. This is about half the weight. Let me take this off.
Take this off. Let's just rip it.
Hold it?
Let's just rip it. Let's just rip it.
Oh, this comes in a nice box too. All right.
Can I take that box out?
I'll take the. Yeah. You ready?
Oh, yep.
Right. Smooth. So it's still 28 kilos, mind you, but let me just get some stats while you're unboxing it.
Yep.
So it's 200 amp hour capacity. The max discharge current is 400 amps. That's huge. All right, and that out. All nicely packed up. As I say, 28 kilos. So again, price below, link below for a discount. This is going to run the entire canopy of my car. We'll get it back on and we'll fit this all in. So at the minute, there's a 100 amp hour lithium in there. There's actually two 100 amp hour lithiums in my car at the minute, but being a single unit, this will discharge faster and charge faster. Am I right in saying that? Than a single battery? So a single battery is always going to be better than two in. How have I wired them? In parallel.
Yep.
I always get that wrong. And this will run the inverter. This will run the camp lights. This will run everything in the car, in the canopy, for hopefully days and days and days.
Yeah.
And coupled with the solar panel, if you look back at an earlier video, I'll link it up here, the solar panel, the bifacial solar panel that we fitted to the car, again from Atom Power, it's going to pump in 9 or 10 amps an hour in full sunshine all day long while the sun's out. So that's going to fill this up. When we drive, the alternator is going to charge us up. If we've got a 50 amp charger in the canopy, it's just going to charge it up really quick. So going to be living the good life.
Living the good life, man.
Oh, and fridges. This will run both the fridges in the canopy as well.
Oh, easily. Well, I've only got 100 amp and I was running 2 fridges and an oven with a 100 watt solar panel. So this is going to be more than enough for that sort of stuff. Yep.
So thank you to the fellas at Vic Off-Road. This is really going to change the setup in the canopy. These are things that we have picked out for our build. Things that we're going to use personally, things that we're going to stand behind, we're going to do long-term reviews of. So yeah, if you want to know more about these, just hit us up in the comments and we'll definitely get back to you on how we're finding them. But we've also got the giveaway.
The giveaway. So
what are we giving away?
We are going to be giving away one of these canvas bags. So you're probably wondering, how do I enter this?
How do I enter this, Andy?
Well, take yourself down to the comments and we want you to
Come on.
I want you to let us know what you want us to be doing next, what you want to see in the next upcoming videos, all that sort of jazz. So let us know. We're going to be picking the best comment that we think is going to go the furthest.
Yes.
And you're going to score yourself a free canvas bag.
In Australia. You got to be living in Australia. We can't be posting this to all over the world. But if you live in Australia, we're going to be posting this out to you.
Yep.
We're going to close it off next Friday. The Friday after is going to be the
6th.
No, but this isn't going to be launched until then. Oh. So the Friday after that's going to be whatever that Friday is, around about the 17th.
Probably get the dates up.
16th, get the dates up. We'll put the date up below when the competition's going to close. Andy and I are going to pick out the one that we think's the best. So tell us, do you want us to do more trips? Do you like reviews? Do you want us to see what else should we put on?
DIY stuff.
Yeah. What else do you need in your car? What should Andy do next? Oh, cooking.
Do you want more of Dad? Do you want more of me?
Some jokes. Do you want some dad jokes?
No, too far.
All right. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you, Vic Off-Road, for sending all this cool stuff up. Get into the comments below to get one of these. The discount code's there. Go online, get some of this cool gear before Christmas. Thank you very much for watching. Have a really good Christmas. Thank you for all your support this year. And we'll see you on the next one.